All right, welcome back to Math with Mr. Strands. This is Matthew C. Zeta, lesson 8a. We're talking about conversions. Not one of my favorites, I will be honest. So let's look at the directions. Use these conversion factors to fill in the blanks or use the shortcut and multiply by 10 the appropriate number of times. Okay, so a big key when I'm starting off on these is looking at this diagram. Very helpful. Okay, so we go down to the first one, 1 decameter, which is right here, and we're seeing how many centimeters it is, okay? So we're starting at 1, so I'm just going to put 1 there, okay? Make that a little smaller, okay? And so I'm going down 1, 2, 3, right? So I'm going down 3 places, so I'm going to put 3 zeros. So it'd be 1,000 centimeters. All right, we have 1 centiliter, and we're going down to milliliters. So we're starting right here. Remember, whenever you put a number down, the decimal is always going to be right behind the number. Okay, so if we imagine this, we got 1 centiliter. Okay, we're moving down to milliliters. So we're going down 1 spot, right? So that would be 10 milliliters. Okay, we got 1 hectoliter, and we're going down to deciliters. Okay, so we're here at 1, and we're going down 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be 1,000. Okay, if we look at the next one, we got 1 gram, and we're going to milligrams. So right here at gram, we're going down to milligram. So it's going to be 3. So again, 1,000. Okay, next one, we got 1 decigram, and we're going to milligram. So we're here at 1 decigram, we're going 1, 2, so it's 100 milligrams. Okay. The next direction say fill in the blanks using either the conversion factors or the shortcut. The first one has been done for you. They used the conversion method. I honestly find that a little confusing. I just like memorizing this again. If you memorize this, you should be perfectly fine. Okay, so if we go down here, 3 kilometers, number 8 is 3 kilometers, and we're looking at millimeters. So that's going to be a big one, right? So if we go back up here and look, we got 3 kilometers. We're going all the way down to milliliters. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So that is 3 million millimeters. Okay, next we got 35 deciliters, and we're seeing how many milliliters. Okay, erase this here. So we got 35, what was that? 35 deciliters, and we're going to milliliters. So 35 deciliters, we're going 1, 2. So just add 2 zeros onto that. And there you go, 3,500 milliliters. Number 10, we got 13 hectograms, and we're going to grams. Okay, so we got 35 hectograms, and we're going to grams. So again, 3,500 is going to be that answer. Oh, I'm sorry, 1,300. All right, we got 60 hectoliters, and we're going to centiliters. So 60 hectoliters, and we're going to centiliters. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So that would be 600,000. All right, and then we got 10 decagrams to decigrams. Okay, so 10 decagrams, it was 10, right? 10 decagrams to decigrams, you just go down 2, so that's going to be 1,000. Okay, so pretty easy if you remember that chart. Let's look at 13. Jordan measured 6 hectograms of water. How many centigrams of water did he have? So 6 hectograms, and we're looking for centigrams. Okay, so 6 hectograms, we're going down to centigrams. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 60,000. $60,000 centigrams. All right, number 14, how many decimeters are covered in a 10-kilometer race? Okay, so we start at 10 kilometers. How many decimeters are in that? Okay, so if we start at 10 kilometers, how many decimeters? Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So it's going to be 100,000. And then last one. Alexa measured a 9-centimeter strip of paper. How many millimeter long pieces could she cut from it? Okay, so she measured 9-centimeter strips, right? How many? So you're going from centimeters to millimeters, and that's 9. Okay, so you're going from centimeters. That's supposed to be a 9, not a G. And you're just going to millimeters, so it's going to be 90. So she should cut 90 pieces. Right, that is it for measurements, right? So remember, as long as I would write this down in your notes somewhere, memorize it. Does not take long to memorize, okay? I'm sure you can come up with some acronym. I know there's one out there about King Henry drinking chocolate milk or something like that, but I just remember it: kilo, hecto, deca, then the unit, whatever unit you're using, deci, centi, milli, right? Just remember that table and you will be fine. That is lesson 8 of Math UC.